Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to answer a student-specific question about how to import a DXF file into the Google software and convert seam allowance lines into sewing lines. So if you want to import a DXF file, you first go to the File menu, click Open, and then carefully navigate to the exact location where your DXF file is currently stored. In the Files of Type drop-down section, make sure to select AFTM, AMA, or DXF. Then simply choose the specific DXF file that you want to import into the Google software to begin your project. And then you click Open. Wait a moment, and you will see on this menu bar that the DXF details have been imported into the Google software. You will bring down all the details. And if you leave it like this and make adjustments to the lines in the Google software, the sewing lines will not adjust accordingly. And that's how it is. So that's simply not acceptable for us. You need to convert this outline into a proper sewing line, because when you import the DXF file, the sewing line has already turned into a standard outline. Now you will go into this specific command for me. Go to the Advanced command menu, then select Generate. Select all these individual details, right-click on any detail and click OK. Now try adjusting it. Try adjusting a detail and see there, do you see it? So you have now successfully converted the outline into a sewing line. And when you adjust the outer line, you will see the difference. The inner line will adjust accordingly. That way everything will be just fine. If you find my video helpful, please subscribe to support Dinh Duy Cuong's channel. Goodbye everyone.